Hello guys, today I've got the HONOR MagicPad 4 and I'm going to show you how to use the Notes app with your stylus. As you can see, this is our stylus, and at first we need to tap this button over here and tap the handwritten note. As you can see, now we have this handwritten note and we can type, for example, hello, it's HardReset.Info. Here, as you can see, you have this text, as you can see, typed, and we can open here with, of course, everything, with our tab, with our pencil, with our stylus, this, as you can see, rubber, and we can just delete what we have typed already. As you can see, we can place our palm while typing because our tablet supports it. Now I can, for example, type how to use Notes app on HONOR. Here, as you can see, we have many types of our brushes. Here we can have this lasso, not this option. This option is our lasso. We can drag it, and we can at first mark it and then drag it. And we have many things, like, for example, objects, like this text. As you can see, this field of text, this that we can place the images, and here hit all. Here we have, as you can see, the ruler, the enlarged writing. Here I've got this plus to add page, add draft, import image or import document, and this gear icon, like page setting, scrolling direction, perfect shape, stylus only, gesture navigation with stylus. You can manage all these things here up to your own preferences. And here we can, as you can see, change the toughness of our handwritten things. Here I can change the color, and we can, with this plus over here, enter the color palette. And the same as with everything over here. And you can adjust all these things up to your own preferences. As you can see, here I've got this tools, and here I've got these options. And if you want to save it, tap this tick icon. Goodbye!